Pag pumapasok pala, ay pag nagbabalik, nagja-jogging tayo. Nakikita na na.
Tapos na. Saan kayo?
Madaling araw yung iba.
Oh my gosh, so first time mo mag 5K!
So,
Actually,
yun, nanalo siya.
Pa-register na lang.
Okay lang. Wait lang, antayin mo ako.
more sponsors for us.
Oh, sorry. Kawawa muna ko.
Maraming salamat.
There you go. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. One, let's go!
Galing ano?
Ay, ka pa ng bata. Go runner!
Ayun o, may pasabit. Buti pa dito, na-appreciate it.
Congratulations! Yung iba po, diretso na lang po. Meron din po doon. Congratulations po.
Kala mo talaga tumakbo.
But now, welcome. We're ready to welcome you for VIP cocktail. Of course,
Wala mo. Charot.
Good morning! Kamusta kayo? How's everyone? Wow, first, congratulations sa lahat, the organizers, and of course, to all the finishers. Grabe naman. Lalong-lalo na, alam nyo, congratulations sa ating mga batang finishers. Asa may mga kiddie finishers natin, somewhere over there. I would just like to say, sobrang usok-uso yung mga sakit na, lalo na sa bata. Kaya mabutit nandyan yung, yung Celine 6 months to 2 years, nandyan yung Celine Plus Drops. Tapos from 2 years to 9 years old, yung syrup And 10 onwards, nandiyan na yung chewables. And I think yun yung ginagawa talaga yung bagay na bagay para sa ating runners this morning.
Oh my gosh, diba guys? Can you imagine? We are here in the presence of the one and only Ding Dong Dantes.
Yan ba? Okay. Isa pa. Shoot mo naman, B. Isa pa. Okay na yan.
Last runner to see 1-1.
Ay. Wala na.